Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is certified 304 stainless steel single bowl undermount handmade kitchen sink. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐞.com. Material, premium 304 grade stainless steel. Thickness, 16 gauge stainless steel. Finish, straight sand. Round corner, R10. Heavy duty sound guard padding and undercoating. Slanted bottom with elegant drain grooves for easy draining. Drain placement, rear. Product weights and dimensions: 33x21x 10 inch. Accessories: strainer, bottom grid, roll-up drying rack. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and home decorations at http://www.𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐞.com. Our store offers quality kitchen sinks, kitchen faucet, refrigerators, ice makers, dish drying racks, wine cellars, dishwashers, spice racks, food sanitizer, wine rack, and more. 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐞 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐞 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐠12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.